fire, and just the amazing respect I have for watching these firefighters from the top of those hook and ladders way up high over the church and spraying the water onto the church. But guys, isn't it amazing the respect you have for those guys fighting the fire right now?
Yeah, they're up on those high things with the water, and again, it's just, the smoke is just unbearable from what Chris Hernandez was saying, and it doesn't look like the fire is just going to have to burn itself out.
And that large ladder there, you can see, it looks like there is some collapsing happening. If you zoom into the largest flame right there in the center of your screen, guys, if you can hear us, the ladder truck you can see right below those flames. Look at what's happening with some debris falling to the ground. I talked to you about calling Mario's, which is right across the street. I did, and no one's answering, so you have to wonder if they're either all out watching or perhaps in a defensive fight, they've sort of cleared that area because of fear it might spread or some collapsing. Look at that. You just saw some fall.
Hey, Captain Greg, we know that Kansas City, Missouri, of course, fire department is there. Do they need any help with this, or are they handling this all themselves?
Well, of course, the capabilities of the Kansas City, Missouri Fire Department are pretty extensive. They have, as I look around the area, they got several units in reserve. I think it's just an access issue. They're, you know, this part of Westport is fairly congested. They are surrounding it. There's apparatus in every position around it, but I think there's probably only so much they can do. And like I was saying earlier, I think being more defensive at this point as the fire continues to burn through both those buildings, and ask our photojournalist Tim Hellick to look just a little bit to the right there, right on that building there. You can see that those flames have really started to erupt in about the last, just the last minute or so. So the interior of that building now really starting to burn and pushing up through the roof, a lot more intensity than it was just moments ago.
All right, that's an update from Captain Greg, the very latest on this fire in Westport of a church that has been standing there for a long, long time. We'll